Freecash reward delivery speed depends on the reward option, account verification status, and the processing steps connected to your redemption request. By the end, you'll know what controls Freecash payout speed, how to track a redemption, and what steps to take if your reward is delayed. The first thing to understand is that completing an offer and receiving a reward are separate steps. After you finish an activity, the reward may need to be reviewed, confirmed, and processed before it reaches your selected payout method. Start by checking your Freecash account dashboard. Your account history and reward status can show whether a redemption is pending, completed, or still waiting for action. The second section is understanding why delays happen. A redemption can take longer when information needs to be verified, when an offer requires confirmation, or when the selected reward option has additional processing steps. Before requesting a payout, review the requirements connected to your chosen reward. Confirm that your account details are correct and that the activity was completed according to the offer rules. If a reward is delayed, do not immediately submit another request. First, check the status inside Freecash and review any messages connected to the redemption. This helps you identify whether the issue is still processing or if something needs to be fixed. The third section is contacting support correctly. If the reward status does not update or you cannot identify the issue, prepare the details before opening a support request. Include the reward option you selected, the date you requested the redemption, and any screenshots or information showing the problem. A detailed request gives support the information needed to investigate the situation. The fastest way to avoid redemption problems is to verify your account information, follow offer requirements carefully, and monitor your reward status after submitting a payout request. Do not rely on old payout claims or random comments because reward processing details can change. The information shown inside your Freecash account is the best place to check your current status. To summarize, Freecash redemption speed depends on the reward process and account details. Your dashboard helps track where your payout stands, and support can help when a redemption does not move forward. Your next step is to open Freecash. Check your current redemption status and review the requirements for your selected reward. If this guide helped you understand Freecash redeem speed, like the video and subscribe for more online earning guides.